God.
Hey, Kima.
Gida. Gida.
Don't they walk? Akara. Don't they walk? He don't they dance, see so. He don't they dance, see so. Akamu. He don't they walk? Akara. He don't they walk? He don't they dance, see so. He don't they dance.
Problem not the finish.
You know they finish. Enjoy. You know they.
Enjoy life. What's up, Lagos?
What's up, Lagos?
What did they potpourri for your area?
What is potpourri in your area?
Where did they perpetrate?
What in the perpetrate in your area? What is increasing?
What did they nippleize?
Sorry?
What did they nippleize?
Huh? I don't hear that part.
What did they nippleize?
Okay, now nepotism they talk about. What did they nepotize?
Not the fear, Becca, believe, not the apple, not the waiting people get.
All right, we got the beautiful Lady J with us inside the studio. Lady J, you're looking, tantalizing and everything. Waiting they go. I got one special interview today.
No. Anytime Lady J notice say, no.
I like the way you do this brow.
Which bra?
No be bra. Brow.
Okay, now bra, you're not versed.
No, the brow.
I can't say, Lady J, you don't use push-up bra.
Which kind of question?
So, as you pray, Lady J, look for a small chicken mirror. They observe
myself. I got feel myself.
Okay.
Beautiful girl.
Beautiful girl.
Beautiful
all
girl.
Over the world.
I know what I was saying at the mirror. Okay.
No, but
wait.
She's
mirror
looking very
they
beautiful.
deceive me.
No, I just see where you take the overhype and can't be like.
I don't understand. R&B. What do you mean say the way she do overhype am?
No. Not be saying Lady J not fine.
But
I never say but now.
No, you want that. Waiting, you want talk now, so I don't help you talk.
No, I just say like.
Say waiting.
Oh, it's good. The effort you are putting in is okay, though.
The thing
it's
with
okay.
you now,
R&B. You can do more.
R&B, you they find them very difficult.
So waiting.
I don't notice them over time. To talk, say Lady J finding they hard for you.
But why they hard for you?
You don't do them so many times. May I tell you something? One the last karaoke where we get, every other person, every other lady where R&B introduce them as in babe, inside
which
chick.
karaoke na get?
Valentine karaoke.
Okay,
that now before you know they get. Wait, now they give an example.
Despite the fact say never they do across the bridge with you at that time.
At that time, you never started.
Now that
Wait,
okay,
now may I give you an example?
Give me the example.
Every girl, every lady when you introduce,
yeah,
you say, you just say she fine, popori pop, gigs and high palm, say na my babe, na my side chick. Ask me waiting R&B describe. After you don't introduce me, finish waiting.
I hope so. Not be waiting. Jana they call me.
Waiting now. Ask me waiting R&B.
How we take describe you?
He said she be my sugar mommy.
Okay.
Me.
I not be person when they like.
So
lie.
wait. So you not see beautiful to talk. You not see fine to talk.
Okay,
the best description to give na me.
Hold on.
But if
I be sugar mommy.
If you're a sugar mommy, does that make you ugly?
No, if you say you be sugar mommy, it's actually
You
nice.
don't understand. Why you not talk?
Make I show you.
Why you not? No, I don't want to be anybody. First of all, I don't want to be anybody sugar mommy. Number two. Why you dey so God forbid batting? God forbid batting. Not be my age bracket.
No,
like
he they try to tell you say with your own age, with the age.
Yes, you're supposed to be.
Say if you calculate how much you collect from
me. You think I be 50 years?
No, you not be 50, but you should be above 40, right? Okay, calculate my years, my age right now. You know, guy, use 10 years to senior me.
Then that one can't qualify me to be your sugar mommy.
That my ex-girlfriend when they talking about. What are they calling my sugar mommy when you start to senior me? 10 years,
even CCL where they come, you know they hype am, they call am your babe.
Na sugar mommy.
Which kind sugar
Madam
mommy?
Insurance.
Say person wey senior me.
No, not
because I senior you, then I be your sugar mommy.
May I call Madam Insurance for you?
No, sugar mommy.
So because I senior, then I be your sugar mommy.
But the problem you have now, I think the problem when you get, if I even feel as I even call sugar mommy like 4 years back, I'm feeling pain because that is not accurate. You get maybe
it's very accurate.
It was my level of knowledge and thinking at that time. Because even right now, say I'm not sure I can classify you join sugar mommy level.
No, but you talk
that was that time.
You talk and
so
that not be the
first.
That not be the first. That not be the first time you go talk no be the first time.
But sugar mommy.
Wait. I know.
Show her this my latest sugar mommy. You show me a picture.
You the vex say call you sugar mommy.
I vex, so I no like him.
Why?
Why it is so easy for R&B to talk say any other babe?
But
fine.
You know say R&B get somebody where they call him Godfather, right? You know what I do to the Godfather that day?
He give her sugar.
I say hello Godfather.
I did yes.
Come in and collect sugar. I dey call her sugar daddy.
That one even better. Godfather in the area of broadcast, Abi.
Yes.
So in what area now? Wait, why you go call me that kind of thing?
You get sugar.
No.
Okay, wait if your problem and I say sugar mommy me say not beautiful.
R&B. You did so easy. If I don't notice it all these years where I don't know you, it did very very hard for you to compliment me. To talk say I find you they find I'm difficult. But any other babe, you're so beautiful, you're so this, you're so that. So I ugly.
No, lady.
I
ugly, Abi.
Me not telling you are not beautiful.
No, I know they're good enough for you to say you are beautiful now.
Another thing, maybe the reason why twins daddy no go want use that word for you. Number one, number two. Number one be say, you know they even like to hug them. The moment the twins daddy come meet you like this.
So because I know because I know hug them. Because I know hug them, then I know fine.
No, all those sugar baby, they hug them. They carry.
I get guys where they hug, why they hug.
But why you hug
them? Because he knows I be hug.
How they take the hug? You get man out there.
You go they dance this kind of yayetic dance, and I don't like him.
Now exotic dance.
I don't want the dance. You won't hug me.
No dance. Back on me stripper now. See that strip dance and they dance with you.
But now what do you they do?
Wow.
So hold on. Say now because I know
the last time when Harrison call me, I hug him now.
Because you say you like chubby people.
Yeah, maybe not because Harrison get body where.
Harrison no they play those kind, don't do those kind dance with me now.
Even they discriminate me because I slim.
Only yeah. You go be the first person when sleep I go hug.
You don't discriminate me
because I quiet for there. Discriminate. You can cuckoo sing cuckoo sing Michael Jackson black or white.
Say you no get flesh for body now. You don't always.
I dey hug. See, I get guys wey be my friends wey no get body and I dey hug them. But my problem with R&B say R&B no fit stay for one place. Okay, e dey fine babe wey dey for Beat FM. I see as he dey hug am now. You know they dance. They dance those kind dances. They hug am.
Abe how you dey take hug am?
Baby, you never see me and baby dey hug.
Because
baby dey hug me with full boson.
Hey, full boson.
You know that one no dey wear this inside. She dey something less.
Even when they will paddle up, so you see the studio.
She no dey wear anything. Na so she dey carry and come as God give her. She no dey wear anything to cover her.
Even as she miss Kelele, she me dey hug me.
You go hey Lady J. No, that's why we see me now.
Okay, if that the area of shaking, I need to shake because you are enormous.
Only yeah. People here they say I fool everywhere. You hear your description that go say I fool everywhere.
I cannot stay in one place and hug.
Only yeah. When you saw Jare.
Now welcome to Across the Bridge. Anything wanna hear before now just legit cause our bed.
Lady J they cause violence all the time now.
Wow, but we enjoy the violence actually. You got one is where I see here, ladies and gentlemen. As I see this one, I see say Lagos. How many population will even be for Lagos? God, I wonder. That many population
over 20. I think I estimate maybe 22 million.
Okay. Well, this one they come from the Minister of Health of Sage or Eanire. He said that nearly 20 million Nigerians. Now then, don't they infected with hepatitis B and hepatitis C.
Okay, not the shock.
Wow.
So this organ they speak for the launch of the National Strategic Framework for Viral Hepatitis and the flag-off ceremony of a national-wide hepatitis awareness campaign where they talk now in commemoration of the year World Hepatitis Day, where the team bringing hepatitis care closer to you, where they do on Monday, July 25. Now from there, they say the infection, according to the minister, they underreported underdiagnosed, undertreated. Say why the stigma plus discrimination against those who don't they infected say it did too much. Daily Trust now then report say the World Health Organization Nigeria representative Walter Kazadi Molombo now in talk for Africa say Nigeria now one of the highest burden of the viral hepatitis wey get national hepatitis B prevalence rate of 8.1% and hepatitis C prevalence rate of 1.1% among others. Among adults wey dey between 15 to 64 years. This organization talk all other escheterium, but the one wey catch our eyes this one we say na 20 million Nigerians na dem get that hepatitis B and C.
No, so that means almost like full Lagos population. I get this hepatitis.
You know, say in Lagos. So.
No, I know like full. You know, say 20 million. I be Lagos.
Okay, yeah. So let's just imagine. Say like population
of
yeah.
Lagos that I get this hepatitis. But it's not this shocking because.
But it is high somehow, Sha.
Certainly, because I try to find out. You know, now actually acute and chronic infection when they actually affect the liver. You get for the hepatitis B. Then for the hepatitis
C.
Hepatitis. When I don't put too much effort to pronounce something, that's how they big mistake. So I know they should not be saying I'm really too serious for people before go to get high blood pressure. You get me? Now something
not too serious, but this is don't kill people.
It don't kill.
Yes, I know.
I know because funny enough today I remember one guy when my early days for Lagos. John Fack of ever blessed memory now. Now hepatitis. 9 killer.
So now the thing
as at the time where we go, if you even do anything, say in liver, don't they?
You don't go for because you don't know. So now they always check for what they call that regular checkup on top your body. They very important because the earlier you find out, discover and you feel live with better.
But the vaccine day now.
Vaccine, yeah.
I don't take the vaccine. I don't take the vaccine.
For somebody like
ago.
Me now, when I dey Ibadan, I hear about this hepatitis B, and the fact that I say you feel contact with the sweat. If the person will get hepatitis B, if the sweat touch your skin, because normally the skin they get open pores. If the sweat touch your skin and your body absorb them, you feel even get them. So at that time when they say I'm here and I sharply I enter one private clinic then for Ibadan. Say I say I beg how much be the vaccine? If I go first do some tests, they go first know if I get the virus or not.
Because they don't give if you get them.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
You need to.
If you get them, you know if you collect the vaccine.
So you go take the treatment.
They go treat you first. After they go do tests for you first. From the test, the results now go show if you get them or not. So, but if you don't get them, they go give you vaccine. Some they collect the vaccine. They collect the first set of vaccine. Maybe they collect. I think it be like every 3 or 6 months. You go first collect them back to back. Then if you collect another one later.
Don't talk on this now. Yeah, when we talk about the bodies, when they give the vaccine and the rest, then you get. But last, you know, now this morning I feel people they talk say for you to be on the safe side, always do regular checkup on top of your body. At least 2 times a year. It did very important.
Another person where I remember at that time where I been know the guy talk say he get hepatitis B. So now, so that man can't they start discrimination against them. Even tell and say may it go, say because you know want make it go open gate, wait sweat day in hand mistakenly, make person will come mistakenly touch him. Say
for help the man now.
No, when I'm from the northern part. So it just say I beg say make they go before you go infecting children because no be sexually transmitted infection it be. Even if the person mistakenly cough this thing from the cough, if it touch you. Another problem, you don't get them like that. So they
for everybody
you catch them easily. So now waiting happen with that.
And say they airborne.
I don't know if not the English will be
not sure.
I don't know.
But so by contact.
Now contact, yeah. The sweat, the fluid where they come out from the person.
Direct contact. Yeah. Then also, I think if you born picking for hospital serve, I think now the first set of vaccine that they give, they part of financial. I think so. They give them as children, right?
Yes.
For hospital,
they give them.
So you need to make sure, say, once you born, say, make sure, say, all vaccine when they need that for your picky to take. Make sure, say, they take at the right time. Because on a 2 weeks, on a 1 month, on a 6 months, so on a 1 year. So I think the last set of vaccine are usually 2 years plus. I think so, yeah. Because I just they talk based on personal experience, though. You get based on my children. Then, away from that right now, before we move to this one, so sad right now because you see news of say Deeper Life National Overseer Samuel Udomba. They say he slum and die. Why be they preach for on Pipute. They say the National Overseer of the Deeper Life Bible Church worldwide.
General Overseer. I think it's
National Overseer.
Deeper Life.
It's not a National Overseer of Deeper Life Bible Church worldwide, Swaziland. Pastor Samuel
Swaziland.
Say he slumped and died when they preached on the PP on Sunday. That was day for yesterday. Didn't want church service. They said that the Deeper Life Global Crusade nationwide, and they confirmed this through one statement. Say he just slumped and died while they actually preached though. Condolences and our sympathy. Every Tuesday boys that so always check yourself. For a man, I go to say, oh, I just do all that because they work out. I go preach. You get. But if you do regular checkup, you can easily you get some sickness when they're body for like 2 months, and you never know. When you don't serious, then you go you slum and go and die. But regular checkup will let you know. This thing they your body.
Another thing where they pay me for the fact say a lot of people wake they company where they even pay for their health care.
They don't agree. They not go use their HMO. They don't talk say
okay, I never use my HMO. They tell the companies I never use my HMO for this.
For a while now.
I beg if you give me the money, bros, go check your health to know if you do all right. So the next one where they hear this one they come from Rotimi Amechi. He said delegates at the APC presidential primary say that they regret their decision right now.
Why? Why did they regret?
They said the former Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amechi, and the former presidential aspirant of the All Progressive Congress, APC, he don't talk to some of the delegates will vote for the special convention of the APC. They do I wish as they regret them. Amechi, the former governor of Rivers State, talks to some of these voters for the party convention will collect money. They regret say they collect this money. They say those who voted at the APC primaries, who are they? They are ordinary Nigerians. The small money they got solved their immediate problem. Now they are saying they made a mistake. You are now hearing different things. I made you talk this one for Port Harcourt for his 60th birthday celebration of Apostle. For the 60th celebration of Apostle Eugene Ogu, the General Overseer of Abundant Life Evangelical Ministry. He said, if you're praying for us, pray for the leadership of the country, but also pray for ordinary Nigerians to be able to choose the right people to govern their country. He said those bishops you saw at the unveiling of Shetima may not be bishops, but they are Christians. Pray for the ordinary Nigerians. Please vote for APC. I am not joking. May God make you vote for the right candidate that will change Nigeria. Giving money is not the solution to Nigerian problem. The solution to Nigerian problem is that all of you must all rise. When I was giving contract and money, they said, Amechi is not a good man, and I left the office now. What am I? A saint? When you marry 2 wives, you know that the first one is better. People are now saying when Amechi was there, insecurity was not this bad. Remember, I was always in the bushes, chasing those criminals. Now waiting there. Now waiting there.
Who they talk this one?
Amechi.
They say my former minister.
Yes. Now waiting
former Rivers.
Oh yes. Now waiting talk and they read. He said people are not saying when Amechi was here, insecurity was not like this. It was not this bad. Remember, I was always in the bushes chasing those criminals. When you kidnap, I will come and look for you. I will call the security heads. We go into the bush together and we must recover the man. Now, kidnapping is natural. As you are, as you expect to be kidnapped. Nobody cares.
Wait, Amechi don't talk Tongo me when they follow people enter bush.
Sorry,
maybe now we miss out. Maybe was ever a point in enter bush go look for people.
I don't know about that one. Miss if I did hear him. Say enter bush.
Maybe now we not know, Sha.
We don't know now.
You know the thing which shocked me from waiting to talk. But the fact say now the same APC now then give these delegates money. Now I can't they talk say the delegates.
No, because they don't give vote.
But you know how many people will step down now?
Because
he no step down.
No, he votes not do anything.
He no step down.
People when you give money, they go vote for that person.
So why did they? My question I say, why did they regret? What did they regret?
Say they regret. Say they collect the money. Say because the money they don't use and solve the immediate problem.
So I don't claim that
the money don't finish.
All the delegates. Call complaint giver.
I can see clearly now the rain is gone.
When he give money, when not give vote for
I don't talk him now. This guy Jimmy Cliff, he sing song. He say I dey see clear now. Rain don't fall. You don't go. So now what did they happen now? Should be the money they enter the way they totally them.
You don't get money when not they finish. You get.
You don't finish now. Now make a the way talk say whatever money they go give you, you don't fit chop that money for 4 years.
this person inside they keep grudges for many years.
He
say, remember the one I do with OTB?
Maybe
na Lady J you want talk. Na Becca you mentioned. No.
He say, why do you keep grudges
grudges against who?
Not be like you were good. Remember 4 years introduction.
Now you sabi. So you classify that one as grudge. If I get grudges with you, I'm not going to even talk to you.
Lady J, hold on, please. Ari from the trainer. Now Lady J voice you hear. It's not me. Please, you need to specify.
I know they keep any grudge. If I keep grudge, I'm not going to talk to you. I know they talk to you.
After this show, you go hug me.
Keep your hug.
In addition, congratulations.
I did all right.
Congratulations to Nikana. He don't welcome me.
Eighth child.
8 baby with a 5th baby mama.
Who is next?
Maybe it be like I dey suspect say he and Elon Musk get personal mission.
Elon Musk talk say he never do teach on your for how many gifts now.
Why did they give them?
Now wait till talk.
You never hear of digital pregnancy?
No be in there.
Now digital pregnancy
the metaverse something now.
No, Mark Zuckerberg.
Maybe na metaverse.
No, you na space S.
But he say they do teach on you for a long time.
See, Nikanon, he be talk say. He say he no get intention to populate the earth. Say he go do vasectomy.
No, he changed mind though.
Hey.
I think for one of the interviews, he say your reason why save when I can just do what I like.
And help people, you understand.
I know these ladies, they're not saying they're ready to continue to.
This not like how many picking now?
Now the 8th one be this from the 5th number 5th
baby mama. Who is next online?
But we don't forget 2 now from
Mariah Carey.
When he actually they married to that one.
Not twins.
Not twins.
So now he make after
bought twins like 2 times or so.
So after he don't finish with Mariah Carey, he decided to go on a rampage. They born everywhere.
Man don't like you.
They born everywhere.
Now
they born
economy make me time my thing. Not be say to say I get money like it was shoot shot up and down.
Baba they shoot anyhow.
I for able talk to Lady J. Will you have to hold 2 first?
You're mad.
That's correct.
You're mad.
Oh yeah, maybe they go. Join us tomorrow, yes, for another exciting edition of Morning Runs. They say maybe do live video of you and R&B hugging each other, maybe poster.
Only video. Where my knitting pin? Where is it? Come near me.
And there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.